Hi guys, welcome to our very first episode of Tech Tuesday. My name's MJ and I'm the product support manager here at JBS Equipment. 99% of the time, when you pick up the phone and call into JBS for tech support, I'm the guy you're talking with. New for 2022, we will be releasing our Tech Tuesday series. This series is an in-depth, step-by-step guide on fixing, adjusting, replacing parts, and so on. But if you know JBS, you know we like to go one step further. So I've been working closely with our amazing marketing department to bring you Tech Tuesday Shit Happens, a more personable and attractive series that addresses those quick tips and tricks that you need to know about your JBS equipment. So shit tight. Seriously, you want me to read shit tight? So sit tight, because today we're starting with the basics, your serial tag. Every piece of JBS equipment has a serial tag. If you're looking from the front of your machine, your serial tag is located on the right front lower side. Now this serial tag contains your machine's model number and serial number. So if shit happens and you need to call us for tech support or parts, this is the first piece of information we need to know when helping you with any issues that you may be having. Well, that's a wrap on Tech Tuesday Shit Happens. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms. If you have any ideas you'd like to see, drop them in the comment section below.